Jason, what's wrong with your Saturn?
My seatbelt won't come off.
Get your seatbelt.
It really won't.
Jason, how you gonna get? Jason is stuck in his car because his seatbelt is stuck on. Why? I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yo, what if there's a fire?
I don't know. You got a knife?
Of course I got a knife. But I don't want to cut it.
Oh, it's stuck.
Shit, nigga.
This is a good time. Give me your wallet. Give me your wallet. Wait, are you really gonna cut it? Listen, you know, there's an airbag thing in there. Is this the first time you used a seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
You should have probably checked it.
Yeah, Joe, it's fucking stuck. Yo, can you get me 2 packs of cigarettes? This may have to have.
No.
And a Monster.
No. All right, so how are you going to get out?
Well, I figure we go to your house and maybe try some tools at it for it. And then it doesn't work, I'm going to cut it.
What kind of tool?
I don't know. Hammer, screwdriver.
Oh my God.
I don't fucking know what to do. Is there like some kind of safety thing? Like everything's all...
No, maybe that's a recall. Maybe you're just too fat for the seatbelt. Oh yeah, go out that way. There you go.
What's up?